Every brand has a story, but a lot goes into telling one worth hearing. Did you know that video has an amazingly high ROI? Do you want to increase traffic and grow your revenue? Or maybe you are looking to increase engagement and conversions? Look no further. At E.I.F, we've got you covered. At E.I.F, we take pride in our ability to create the most compelling stories that connect your brand with your audience and keep them coming back for more. We create videos to tell a story, one that takes viewers on a journey and connects with them on an emotional level. Our eye-catching videos effectively deliver your message to your target audience. From commercial design, photo and video shoots, drone photography and videography, to social media content management and lots more, we are the best name you can trust. What are you waiting for? Hurry now. Contact us today and get your story heard. 330-406-8495